Alright guys, updated. I can't, when the guys are working on the building, I can't be around here anymore. Anywheres, I can't talk to none of them. So, I come out and said something to somebody, and then I called up somebody else and got it all confused, and then our contractor called my wife up, started crying. So I've been told by my wife to, when there's someone here, stay away. Status. Driveway's all packed down. Looks like lots of footprint, lots of tire tracks here. Look at it. It's all built up to where they're going to put asphalt here. And all the way down the corner, we have a garage door with windows I didn't want. I asked for no windows and I get windows. I don't get it. I don't understand it. How you can ask for one thing and get something else. Yep, no windows please, get windows. Alright, so this is the garage door opener that I didn't care for. It's what I got. This company here is the same as Chamberlain. According to my wife, that's the one that gives you the best warranty. So, let's see. There's no locks on the doors, so anybody that wants to get in here now, this door is locked, so anybody who wants to get in this garage door, all they had to do was lift it up. There's no safety lock on the door. I think I've already told you about that. There. I wonder if the door is unlocked. Nope. They locked this door. There's a wonderful door opener. Isn't that a beauty? Alright, so let's see what they did in here, if anything. Well, we got the gas line hooked up. Isn't that amazing? Gas line hooked up, no vent still. Power. No change here. Let's see if they even got the gas line hooked up on this one. Alright. No gas line on this one. So I couldn't believe that they did anything else in here the whole week. There's no way they could have done anything else in here. This is the whole week. Still there. All looks the same to me. Couldn't have been anything done downstairs either. Alright, I haven't showed the video about the carpet being brought in here. Smells like fresh paint down here. Smells like fresh paint. Okay, the furnace is still here. No, looks like they sanded some in here. And you can't see back here. I can, but you can't. And I'm sure my Water filter's still the same. And it's pretty much down here. Nothing's changed down here. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. We're waiting on the final inspection because the power isn't hooked up. So they can't do nothing. And they can't do nothing until that's done. They can't even paint. I brought the dryer in. I can show you outside. Let's lock the door like it makes a difference. The sun's out here, so. Okay, so we have the vinyl done around here and here and that done underneath there.